In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Discord soundboard not showing up in server. The new server-specific soundboard feature was just released by Discord. It's an experimental function that only a select few servers can use. You can use this function to play a brief audio clip that the entire voice channel can hear. Join a voice channel, choose the soundboard icon, and then choose an audio clip to use the feature. However, a lot of consumers complained that the feature was missing. Now, there are a few reasons why, but I know that due to the server's activation of the community function, the Discord soundboard is not visible. Another is if the server has more than 50 users or if you are utilizing the Discord mobile app, the feature won't display. Discord soundboard specifications, the community feature must be turned off. There must be fewer than 50 persons on the server, and you must utilize Discord on a desktop computer. That's it. So if you can't see this soundboard feature, all you have to do is to uninstall your Discord application. Here, find Discord and click uninstall again. So once you uninstall your Discord, you have to go to the search bar and look for run, click run, and you have to type here percent symbol, app data, and then also percent symbol. And then you just have to click the folder here and look for Discord and delete. After that, you have to type run again and then same pattern. You just have to type person sign and then local app data and then person sign. And then after that, click OK. Now it will take you directly to the folder or local file, and you just have to look for Discord and then click delete. So after that, you have to go to Google web browser and install the Discord application again. You have to download this one, and then once done, you can open your Discord and then try to explore the soundboard here. So if you're going to click this one, you can see different features here like sounds, and I think you can even add sound if you want. So if those methods didn't work, you have to try this one last thing. Go to a server, go to settings or server settings, and then look for community and disable this one. Okay, so that's it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.